Chemistry Fantastic today. We just got a new box.
Ooh.
It's our third one. First one we had tin and artificial sea. Second one we have pure water and chemistry night. The third one, let's find out. This one has this one has colorful chemistry. Let's see. And the next one has Egyptian night.
Funky.
Yep.
All right.
We want to try to open this?
Absolutely. Let's see the cool stuff we get inside.
This is Egyptian night. There.
Ooh.
We got more gloves here. We got a candle again.
Well, hopefully we'll be using fire.
Again. This is Egyptian night. Egyptian night.
Difficulty 2, danger 2.
To danger 2. And then 20 minutes.
Ooh. All right. What does that second one look like?
Second one is iron pepper shaker. Iron pepper shaker.
Is it danger 3?
No, it's difficulty 1, danger 2, and it's so fast. It's 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's crazy.
Yeah, look, that's it.
Huh. Okay.
There's also fire. Then look, the fire. This looks like. Oh.
All right, we have our iron. Looks like iron filings. Precautions: keep away from heat, hot surfaces, sparks, open flames, and other ignition sources. No smoking. What else do we have in here?
No smoking.
Potassium iodide. Potassium iodide, harmful if swallowed, causes skin irritation, causes serious eye irritation.
Nah.
Boom. And we have sodium hydrogen sulfate. Awesome. What do we got? Causes serious eye damage. Last one, sodium thiosulfate. Not dangerous, apparently. Fantastic. Oh, we got a... What else do we have in here, bud?
We got these cupsies. We got these cups.
What? Those are spoons.
Yeah, we got these spoons. We got these.
Syringes. And...
We got a tiny paper clip.
Yes! I love our paper clip in a bag.
Let's get coolness.
Uh-huh.
A wooden sticky.
Wooden, usually stirring stick.
The cracked thing, which I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Candle!
A petri dish.
And a candle.
Awesome.
And I got some ingredients here. Oh, I forgot about this.
Bottle toppers.
Yep.
So then we can pour out the
And
ingredients.
in all boxes, gloves.
Yeah, we got our gloves. Those are our amazing, ubiquitous blue gloves. All right, let's pack this one up and take a look inside the other one.
Oh, I like this one. Yep. What will it be? What will it be? Let's find out because we couldn't find it out too.
Welcome to chemistry.
Welcome to science.
Welcome to science. I can't read or write. Can we read it in Korean?
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, there it is.
과거의 세계에 오신 것을 환영합니다.
I can't believe you can read upside down. That's good.
Oh, this also has 3.
3!
Yeah, this is acidic patterns. 10 minutes. The danger and difficulty both 1. Ooh, that looks cool inside.
Awesome. All right, let's keep going.
Here's magic liquid, which has danger and difficulty 1 and 10 minutes.
Interesting.
And let's see, but this also has this.
Lots of stuff.
Wow! so many. Oh my gosh, we need so many ingredients. Okay. Last one, color changing milk. I think we did this one.
Yeah, we did this a long time before chemistry,
Yeah.
the boxes. So we did something similar. I think we put in the food coloring.
Yeah, it's difficulty and danger.
One. Awesome. But we are going to do something with sparks and fire. That would be really cool.
Ooh.
All right, let's see the inside of the box. We can't see.
Dang.
Bang! All right, what do we got? We have sodium hydrogen sulfate and sodium carbonate. What else is in there? Can we see it? Holy moly. The bag is broken. Woo. Lots of chemicals in here.
Chemicals.
More sodium hydrogen sulfate. Citric acid. They just squeezed an orange. Sodium carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. And thymol blue. Absorbent. What else?
Got some more chemicals.
What?
What? So I got
Annatto, food coloring. Methylene blue, we had that one before. Yosin? That is it. And the liquid soap. Wow, tons of stuff.
I got spoons and what do you call this?
Q-tips or just cotton applicators.
Yeah, we got 2 more Petri dishes,
Yep.
gloves, historical paper clip,
Historical paper clip. I love it.
and 3 wooden sticks.
All right. Do we have anything damaging
Which
in
are
here?
my claws over here. Look.
Oh, nice. Good job, Wolverine.
Oops, I didn't know and I ripped it.
No problem. Sodium carbonate, serious eye irritation, citric acid, serious eye irritation, thymol blue. Not that bad. Yosin, serious eye irritation, sodium hydrogen sulfate, serious eye damage, methylene blue, harmful if swallowed, skin irritation, serious eye irritation, respiratory irritation. Ooh.
How about annatto?
Annatto is safe.
How about methylene blue?
Methylene blue is harmful if swallowed, causes skin irritation, serious eye irritation, and respiratory irritation. Holy moly. So,
Yosin.
yeah, we don't want to open this and then breathe around it.
Yosin.
Yosin. Was it Yosin? It was just serious eye irritation.
Liquid soap?
Liquid soap. Safe. But you still shouldn't drink it or eat it. All right.
But we can touch it. It's like soap, but just
Yeah, it's
liquid.
just soap. We have it in our house.
And absorbent!
Absorbent. All right, let's pack everything back up.
Whoa.
And everybody, do you want to say something to anybody who's watching?
So maybe you guys do MEL Science too, and maybe you got this box, or maybe you didn't. I hope you liked this one. You know, this one was not a science experiment.
But we are excited.
We're super excited, and we want to do this. And we want to do this experiment quickly, and then see what happens. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.